Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of Wisdom House School System, class 9th. Today our topic of discussion is on your textbook of physics, page number 89 and 90. And the name of the topic that we are going to learn today is an example 4.2, as you are watching in the textbook too. Example. And the second topic that we are going to learn today is determination of force from its perpendicular components. In the previous lecture I told you about the determination of perpendicular components by the use of a force. Today we will discuss its reverse. Its reverse in a sense, to determine the force knowing its perpendicular component. Students, perpendicular component are of two types, fx and fy, x component and y component. And while explaining about the component of force, we will take it as the fx component and fy components of vector force. Before that, first of all, try to learn the try to solve the example 4.2 on page number 89. The data given to the example is: a man is pulling a trolley on a horizontal road with a force of 200 Newton, making an angle 30 degree with the road. Horizontally रोड को वो रोड पे ट्रॉली को पुल करके लेके जा रहा है एक आदमी, और जो फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहा है वो 20 न्यूटन का फोर्स है. Or find the horizontal and vertical component of its force. The trolley is making an angle of 30 Newton with the road. The force given, data जो given है वो मैं आपको बता दूँ. The force given is 20 Newton. Theta making यानी angle which is made by the trolley on the road is 30 degree with the horizontal. And what we have to find is x component and y component, यानी vertical or horizontal component of force, fx and fy. So first of all, we are going to find out x component of the force. Fx is equal to f cos theta, and fx is equal to force is given 200 Newton, and cos theta cos for used for the horizontal component for horizontal axis. Theta की वैल्यू यहाँ पर है 30 डिग्री.